Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what I was looking at. We have resistance, resistance. Let's draw a trend line going down right here. And then we had resistance and resistance right here. Let's go do another trend line going down like this. Basically, until we break these downtrends going to the upside, both of them, whoops. Until we break these downtrends going to the upside, something like this, then I'm assuming it's going to give us trouble and we're going to push down. Right now, I'm kind of watching this 4-hour time frame and I'm watching the 1-hour time frame because I don't know. In general, I'm basically just watching for a bounce. We got some support right here and right here. We had a little uptrend, or we started to flatten out, and then we got a little uptrend, and then we broke to the downside and started pushing down again. Right now it does look like we're kind of bouncing again at this same level. Let's go ahead and draw this trend line out like this. I think if we break this one going to the downside, if we break this line going to the downside, I think that's going to be a signal that we're going to be heading down lower. And I guess the other thing that we can look at, I mean, like I said, in general, we have this resistance and this resistance. So until we break to the upside, then I'm assuming that we might be kind of bouncing in something like this. We have the support, support, resistance, resistance, kind of like a triangle pattern right here. Let's see if we break up or if we break down. I don't know. In general, it looks like the downtrend's pretty hardcore. If we zoom out to the daily time frame as well, we've been watching bigger downtrends. We have something right here, we have a downtrend like that, and then we also have another one maybe from here to here like this. So we have big downtrends on the bigger time frame, and then when we zoom in and go to the 4-hour time frame, we have some other ones. So once we start breaking some of these downtrends, that will be a good signal. I think even getting this support right here and right here is like, this is what you kind of want to look for, is a bottom, and then for it to come down, hit that bottom again, and then get support and get a bounce, and then start breaking these trend lines. But right now, like I said, we're kind of watching both of these trend lines because it's possible we break up or if we break down, and this level is sitting at around maybe 0.126 cents approximately. Let's see, 0.126. Yeah, so if we break this going to the downside, I don't know, the next level, we had a wick right here at around 0.1205, and then if we zoom out, we're probably going to have to do some investigating because we have to come back to this run over here, and I think I saw a level like around 10 cents because we had a wick down right here to around 0.106, and then right here is around 0.116. So the bodies is at 0.116, and then the wick came all the way down to 0.106 approximately. I think that will be the next level, but there's not like a lot of trading that went on right here. Right now we're over here, and I'm kind of looking at this support down here because I don't know, this is just like a nice little chunk of trading that we had. And if we zoom in and do some more investigating, what we see is we had a wick all the way down to around 0.041, and then let's do some horizontal lines. We have one right here at the wick, and then we also have one, maybe something at the bodies right here at around 0.047. So around this 5 cent area might be another area that we might hold on, just because there's been like a lot of trading in that area, but I'm not sure. I mean, it wicked all the way down to 0.041, so that might be a bottom that we might want to try to hit. I mean, if we if we continue to head down, 0.041 or 0.05 in general, like I said, I think 5 cents in general, if you want to try to hit that bottom, we wicked all the way down to 0.041, but I'm not sure how far it's going to go or what's going to happen. I think let's see if we have any support. What I was kind of just looking at right now is we have support right here, support right here, support right here. Let's even go into the weekly time frame. Maybe that'll give us a better idea. The weekly hasn't really been looking good on any of these charts right now. We have maybe something like this. It looks like we kind of just broke. We had that green candle right here, a little bit of support in that area. I don't know. In general, it just looks like we're trending down pretty hardcore. Let's go to the weekly and see what this looks like. See, you can see this downtrend in general, just something like that. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I'm also watching this 1-hour time frame just to see, because it's possible that this is where it's going to start at, a reversal. And then, like I said, if we could get a bottom and then come back up and then test that bottom and get support on it and hold, That will be pretty much what we're looking for, a double bottom, and then we'll kind of form a W pattern, and that's pretty much what we want to look for. Hitting a bottom, bouncing up, hitting another bottom, then bouncing up, getting that reversal, because then we can start maybe hitting higher highs, getting low, high, low, high. If we get that same low, then at least maybe we're going to stay on that level and not continue to get lower lows, something like that. I'd rather see us get that same low, and then maybe we can start getting higher highs. So yeah, right now it seems like we're trending down. I guess the next level that I'd be watching is this wick right here. Let's see if that holds support at around 12 cents. If that doesn't, then like I said, we had to go back into this other little run. So if we go to the 4-hour, we can see right here we're kind of trading in this area right now. That red line is where we're at right now. And if we go a little bit further, it's around .106. So yeah, this is the next spot that I'm looking at, but I wouldn't be surprised if we start trading in this area as well, just because there wasn't a lot of trading in this. I mean, there was just this little spot right here. There wasn't like a ton of trading. It was just pretty much just big, huge runs. So I don't know. That's just what I'm looking at. Let me know what you guys think though. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, check out my Discord in the comments. If you're new to trading, check out this video right here. It's a trading strategies video on when I buy and when I sell crypto. All right. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.